Oh, I see people's culture like, eh, yes, yes.
Sponsor.
Uh-uh. Why did you do it like that?
That's our culture.
Okay, that culture
Without
will
this, we
give
don't
that
take
to
it.
first.
Without this, you cannot take it.
Yeah, we
What if
respect ourselves. We respect this. This is our power. Without this, no life. We respect this more than everything.
if person bring this Gburukutu now inside this rubber now, keep for you. Come bring beer, keep for you. Which one you prefer?
Prefer this one than beer.
You prefer Gburukutu than beer?
Yeah. I prepare Brukutu than beer. Because that beer now wanna acid. If you take beer, you go that one you go rain your head, you not go understand yourself like this one.
So this one no dey sharp.
This one, you go if you take this one, you go do like say you chop food. But beer, if you take them, if you not get food, my go disturb you. That's why I prefer this one than beer.
Okay, see you again, Dimas, and craft the queen of African culture. See on the Jukun tradition and culture. I'm here to show you one unique thing about them. When you talk of their drink, they have this particular drink they call Gburukutu that they take early morning and evening. It's their culture. It's one thing that will know them of. They know how to do it very well. So I'm here to show you how they drink it early morning. As you can see, some of them are already set here to take it. So let me take you guys around. Oh, yeah, let's go. Uh, greeting. Good morning, sir. So, good morning. How na dey na?
They're fine.
Okay. Wetin be the name of this una drink like this?
In Jukun language,
Achieve.
AChiee.
Achen.
Yeah.
Okay. Na im dey call Gburukutu.
Yeah.
Achen.
Gburukutu.
Achen.
Achen.
Jimmy. Now they call Brukutu Achen.
Okay.
Onyono.
So na only this plate na dey use drink am.
Yeah.
Oh, I see people's culture like, eh, yes, yes.
Sponsor.
Uh-uh. Why did you do it like that?
That's our culture.
Okay, that culture
Without
will
this, we
give
don't
that
take
to
it.
first.
Without this, you cannot take it.
Yeah, we respect ourselves. We respect this. This is our power. Without this, no life. We respect this more than everything.
What if it's only you that can? Will you still do the same thing?
What came?
Like it's only you that is sitting here to drink it. Will you just do the same this tradition here?
I know I cannot do it. But when we are two or three, can do it.
But do one person come to drink this particular drink?
You can come alone and take it. You are allowed.
But once you're two, three must do this tradition.
Yeah, you must do it.
What's the meaning?
That is why I tell you, that is our culture. Without this, you don't respect your.
Like
That
this
is
one now. Him get tattoo. Yes. That's the meaning of this thing where I do. Exactly.
you understand, ba? Before we take our drink, we must do this to show sign of we are Jukun. Understand? Uh-huh. That is our culture. We carry Jukun culture.
And you people value jijik more than beer, all those
Yeah,
things.
we value this more than beer, no? We value this more than beer. We value this more than beer. 100%. Yeah.
I've been hearing about this particular drink for long. I said, okay, that if I come for this research, I will find out how it's done.
Achen.
This is our town. This thing you see.
Do it like this.
With all this, carry, no dey stay.
Without this, you carry no this thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Around 4 o'clock, can wake up and take this. Without food. We take this one, it's okay for us. That is why I say our culture, this is our power, this is everything. If we are to move out everywhere, it's this, we start it with it before we went out.
Before you step out, you start with it.
Yeah.
Before you go out.
Yes. If you have anything prayer in your mind, beg your forefathers before other things, you take it, they went out.
Okay. No other people they use palm wine and all those things. This one is your own.
That is our own disease. Yeah. I will not done forefathers, why don't you know,
Okay, so you use it to pray to your forefathers.
before taking it. Or if you want to went out, you say prayer. If you go back, you come back safely. If you went out for business, you get it. That is our prayer, this, before taking it. Yeah.
People have unique culture.
We are using
Two.
two. It's two times we've been
Wow.
using.
2.
2. That's okay. 1,
One. 2.
2.
You no go fit put one hand. Jukun no go
If you
drink.
put 1, we no go take it.
If you put one, you no go take it.
Yeah, if you put 1 hand, we no go take it until 2.
Until two.
Yeah.
Okay. What you guys drinking is.
We
Yes.
take it now. You support us, take it though.
No problem. No. Wow. Are you seeing culture here, man? You have culture.
That's
You have a culture, like, and you are still respecting your culture till
yeah, we
date.
respect our culture to death.
The way of greeting, a lot of things I've learned from your culture here.
That
Yeah.
is Jukun for you.
Still maintain that Asian culture.
How we go do that?
Wow. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Omo, culture is life. And wait, oh, do women still take it too?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, women take it too.
Take it.
Okay.
What
What of young people, like young people of age? Do they take it?
Exactly.
Okay, it's allowed.
It's allowed.
Okay. Will that mama talk? I'm coming to you. Mama, good morning.
Morning.
How you dey?
I did fine.
I come visit una from my culture and I hear about Gburukutu drink. I say I must come see am with my eye. You don't tell what the hear am. And the elders don explain how. I come dey ask them say whether women dey take am. They say yes, and I don sight you. I say okay, ma, I come meet you.
This one of my culture. I dey drink. Can I show you that? Right there.
Yes, so na women dey prepare am.
Yes. The woman they prepare Gburukutu.
The women will prepare.
Yes.
So we used to take it. Early in the morning around 4 o'clock. When in the evening time around 4 o'clock, evening time we come and take till down. So when we take this, we enjoy ourselves very well. That's why we used to take it. It's our culture. It's normally even as we start small, when it is small, our parents just start to teach us how to take it. That's why we come grow like this. If you not take them, we know they enjoy. If you not take them, you not go feel sleep myself. That's why we take them.
No take, I no go fit
You
sleep.
don't feel sleep. Even you go chop food, my food will not enter unless you take this one before food will
When
enter.
you go dey okay, dey satisfied.
Satisfied. So this is the right thing we used to take and we would do ourselves.
And it must be this plate now they use and take it.
We used to take an inside this one because now
Mama.
culture now this if you not take an inside this one, you not take Gburukutu.
If you take am inside another thing, no be Gburukutu you take.
Now that one now kunu.
Oh.
So we used to take an inside on this one, this calabash bar. Yeah, wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Once it's Gburukutu, it must be this calabash.
This calabash. Wow.
And I hear say before you comot for house, you must take am before you begin dey go where you dey go.
Even you want go farm, you go take them. We used to find this small this is rubber, put it inside. This one you go put it inside your bag, carry and go farm. When you walk tired, you take them before you walk again. When you come, you need to go store them for house. So when you come back, take them again.
So every house they get am for house.
No be like this place where you cook them. You go leave your house, come buy them.
Go keep am for
Keep
house.
am for house. Whether you fit keep am for the woman where they sell am, when you come back, come collect am. Pay am when you collect am. Yeah.
Culture, and it must be this plate now you go use.
This plate.
Now watching that one pass you chigaba.
You must use this plate now they dey use drink am. Okay.
We used to take this one, we take am. This one, oh, if not this one, you no go take am.
So anybody wey still dey use another thing na kunu be that.
Kunu. Any person wey use this anything, any cup or whatever cup, that one na kunu. But if na Gburukutu, na this one. Yeah.
Almost see culture. Oh. As far as it's Gburukutu, it must be this. I'm learning a lot. Now, if person bring this Gburukutu now inside this rubber now, keep for you. Come bring beer, keep for you. Which one you prefer?
Prefer this one than beer.
Prefer Gburukutu than beer?
Yeah. I prepare Gburukutu than beer. Because that beer now on acid. If you take beer, that one you go rain your head, you not go understand yourself like this one.
So this one no dey sharp.
This one, you go if you take this one, you go do like say you chop food. But beer, if you take them, if you no get food, it go disturb you. That's why I prefer this one than beer. Beer, that one is for fancy. We used to take beer, but that one is special when like yesterday and Sunday, so that time we used to when you bath, then you go flex there, take your beer. That one is different, but this one we use this one than beer.
You prefer this one than beer?
Yeah, for our culture, even anything culture, if you want do them, if you know, we don't take beer do culture.
That they do marriage, all those things it must be this thing.
This thing,
Must be Gburukutu.
Gburukutu, not be beer. Yeah,
But you dey high
this
person.
one you go high, you dey high. You dey
You
high.
dey high person.
You dey high person, no be so. If you high, you might pass beer.
You high pass beer.
Yeah, high pass beer.
Mama don't give me my own day for rubber there.
So this one we prefer.
You dey high pass beer.
You dey high pass beer. Yeah.
I don't see drink wey una prefer pass beer.
Yeah, this one when you take this one, even you not chop, you not get to chop. You go there okay. The beer, if you take them, if you not chop food, you go to disturb you. That's why I prefer this one than beer.
Hey, people culture. Mama don't come enjoy yourself this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, people get culture. Don't prefer this one to beer. Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Fine. My name is Sunday Amos Antonia from Benue. This one I dey hold for Mana now our village BKT.
BKT.
Great one. Me ma abi Jukun Man from Benue. My name is Sunday Amos Antonia.
Amos Anthony.
Antonia. Now they will carry Matan again. When I go to go Matan again, and more aga Mbaje.
Na Gburukutu they drink like
Yeah, na Gburukutu. BKT.
For the Jukun culture.
for the Jukun culture.
Culture. Gburukutu. Asha.
Tasha. So early morning I go take am before na comot.
Yeah, then go wash your eye. Go see your front clear.
I go wash your eye, go see your front clear.
Anyway can go.
So any day wey you no take am, you no dey do alright.
No, I'll be taken, but no be say that one na much on, na culture be that. This one na culture.
Farmer, you go farmer, you go take before.
Even though you go farmer, before you go take am small. Anyway, even if you want enter office, you go just fetch am small. Wash your eye before you go. Tongba say yani.
And they say na this particular calabash they take dey drink am.
Yeah, na the calabar be.
No, you need to why we take it now.
Na calabar you dey use am.
So what if you go where they dey sell am, they come use another thing, if you no agree drink am?
Jukun, no agree.
That one no be better.
Na only
Calabar is not supposed to use and drink.
Okay, if they give you with another, you no go agree.
For rubber,
you
no.
carry rubber cup and no go take.
So what if now they keep beer here now, let's say Hero or Trophy or Star for you now, come keep Gburukutu now, which one you go prefer?
Na Gburukutu na.
A trophy, you work in chair.
Na the original. This one they work for body.
Trophy, what that good?
Trophy, that no be.
Now you eat it now.
Na chemical now.
So now prefer this one to that beer.
You might supposed to take some small, so that make you know.
Make I finish before I go test, can't forget what I come do. I dey hear about BTK, Gburukutu, don't take. I say, if I come, I go must see am today.
Then you go see am, come and go, just touch am small, so that you go enjoy now. Anyway, you go talk, the car, go so place. We carry local government for Taraba, Juku. I take that, I enjoy now.
I drink am as soon as I tell you drink am.
Okay.
Hey, must see culture. People are enjoy. Papa, well done, sir. People like, yes. But they say if una put am for plate, una dey pour for ground. They use am dey greet una ancestors.
Yeah, wow, those are grandfather.
You say you go take back.
Those are grandfather, they will give their home they take.
Where you are.
And that was the ammo.
And your culture, you must put am 2 times.
Yeah,
not 2
you
times.
go put that 1 time now. This one don't give you. Now you go take a small now. Now you go take a small.
Oh, let me go tell this one.
Take it now your own now.
Wahala. I know we finish am una
No,
small.
even though
Oh,
no finish.
I don't dey test
My coach,
Gburukutu.
give your Ghana.
Say I go pan for ground.
You go plan for them.
Thank you, man.
How many times?
Don't do.
Don't do now. You try.
How you feel?
Away.
Eh?
Away.
Hey, you know what I
Hey,
say?
wait.
I never test am before. Na still the thing dey test.
After you go house, you go see am now. Your body.
Take out that 3 rubber now. You go sleep. Jeje.
Go
If
sleep.
you want go work, man, go use and do work.
Go give you energy to work.
I think say go
See am.
sleep like
The thing
that.
why dey inside na medicine. See am.
Okay, where they take they do am?
Teta.
This one that one na for men, so you go put time, go use and work for your body.
Okay. Na be that one wey dey inside your own.
Yeah, so,
Any beer why you carry medicine put am, African medicine put am, no go work.
Okay.
Na only this
only
one.
this one.
Okay, now only here you go put am, you go work.
I go work.
Put am for beer, you no go work.
No, yeah, no go work.
I know say some people dey use am dey cook medicine.
This one na be the direct one.
And the good morning, sir. Well done, sir.
Ghana.
Well done.
Enter here.
Okay, now the main office they want enter, so
Big person dey here.
okay. This one now, what do they call this one?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ni ṣìgéró wa?
Goro.
Eh.
Okay. So they soak am how many days? You dey soak am how many days?
4 days ba.
4 days. Okay, you soak am 4 days. Okay. But you no go allow am make germinate.
E dey germinate
Okay,
well
go
well.
germinate.
Now sef inside kitchen if you fetch it come you will see how e germinate sef.
Okay, like this way you wan do now, you wan go soak am now, make e germinate.
I wash it you will see. She wash it now. In the evening she wash it.
Okay, she didn't finish, she wash
Na
it again.
tomorrow when she will grind it.
Okay.
E dey germinate pass this one sef.
Okay. Okay, next Friday. Okay. Now the process with this.
You put am inside water. If you put it inside water, you come comot it. If you comot it with this basket, then you come wash it. If you wash it like the way she is washing it now, and tomorrow they will grind am. It will germinate well. Then she will do this thing. She will grind it and use it do Gburukutu.
Now this one, which one did they miss? They do Gburukutu.
E dey inside.
This one and dawa ba.
Na Goro. Na
This one and joro.
Na red one be dawa.
Okay, but they miss am with this one.
Which no, they no dey miss am. This one
only
na
this one they
this
use
one.
for Gburukutu.
Yes.
I fit touch am.
Touch am now. Touch it.
Okay. So this one wey dey on top now, na the one they go comot now.
Now they will remove this one to the way. They give this thing foul.
Okay. This one the one wey no good, na it dey on top so.
Yes.
This thing get process.
Yeah,
They
e
go
get
go put
plenty.
am. This one wey they put for fire now.
Now the one where they use am add am with this one tomorrow. Now as she dey cook am now, tomorrow if you cook it finish, you pack it inside kitchen. Then if you pack it inside kitchen tomorrow, if this one germinate, they will grind it. If they grind it, then they will use am. If they cook it for fire, they will put it for ground. If they this thing, so that they will go use am. They will mix am. They will mix this one and this one so that it will become Gburukutu wey we dey drink.
Na the one wey they soak, they grind like that too. Okay. Come on, go show us the one wey they grind. Carry us go where the one wey they grind. Okay. Now when they don't soak at all, they call the grinder like this.
Na him wey dem dey grind be that. Now if dem grind am finish, na they will cook am. We use it. We use this thing. We use
Bag to put that.
yes, we use bag so that you add it with water. We use water, then we
Come on, the chaff.
yes, so that we put it inside fire. If we finish, we pack it inside kitchen. If we finish everything now, if it don't done, they will pack it inside kitchen. Tomorrow they will put it the way they put this one. They will put big firewood like this. Then they,
Boy, well.
yes.
So now that one where they soak, they grind like this. Yes. That one where they soak. After 4 days,
Now the one,
they
yes.
come grind them like this.
Yes.
After grinding, they will come filter them.
Yes.
They come go put am for fire here. Okay. So now the filter I finish, they put am for here now.
Now
You turn
this
am
one
out.
when they grind the money on. Now in way them put it today with that. This one if them filter am tomorrow. Now the one where they will keep it here, but today now there where they cook with that.
You can't put am fire, they turn am like this. See, you go done.
Big fire. This one now for big fire. That one now for small fire.
Okay, that one na small fire.
Firewood. This one na big firewood.
Where na dey get this thing?
Now for bush now. We dey cut am for bush.
Okay, that dey take dey turn am. I fit turn am.
If you don't turn am, you go.
Like this. Hey, you just dey turn am like this. Like this. Hey, I don learn work o. Hey, I don learn work o. More than come and hey. Okay, so this one na the one wey stay for that one na the new one.
Now this one be the Gburukutu be this.
So na this one be the Gburukutu like
this.
this.
The strong one be that. Now this if this one no dey Gburukutu no dey be that.
If this one no dey Gburukutu never dey.
Yes.
Are you serious? Na be the main Gburukutu.
Now the big one be that. Now their papa be that.
Na their papa be that.
Now their papa now. If they no dey house no dey now. If
they
no dey house no dey.
Hey. Man, see this one wey dey fire.
This
okay,
one
that one na water.
Okay. If them filter that one, they will put it inside water.
They will grind this one finish, filter and come pour am inside here.
They will filter and put inside the water. If them turn, if you don't turn, they will pack it inside kitchen.
Show me that one wey don germinate inside that place. Okay, now inside this. Okay, now inside this bag they go put and cover am.
Which
they
one?
They go put am inside this bag now and cover am.
No, they will not cover am.
They go just spray am for ground.
Okay. You will go see how it dey now.
Come. You don't grind finish. Nah. Don't consider here. Okay.
You see how it germinate. This one self not germinate though. They leave it inside water.
Okay.
If say them wash it well, it will germinate like this one. You see, this one they will grind and put inside.
Okay, they will grind this one and put inside. This one na rice, oh.
Na rice.
Okay, they go soak and see, go come germinate.
If they soak everything, you can't germinate. You see this one, we are putting it inside all.
Okay, they put them
with
inside.
Potato, grinding potato, drying potato.
What will be the name of this one?
So this one, we don't know the name with English. Oh.
Okay, what I call it for the language?
Romana.
Romana.
Okay. Romana. We dey use them cook the Gburukutu all.
Yeah, put them inside together.
We pound it with this one, and this one we drying potato.
Okay, find them together with drying potato.
They will grind them.
This one.
All of them we dey use them.
Dry potato.
Yes. If we pound it, we carry it go into the grind it. If then grind it, then if we pack this one put for ground, we go use this one put inside so that it will sweet. That is so.
They do like say they foam.
Now this one where they tell you see this one, the one where they fire where you go cook them. So now the one be that.
That way they cook for fire.
Yes. If you don't done, if them pack them inside now, so they will put this thing inside.
Why did they put that thing inside?
They will put it so that you rest. Okay. The way you see how they do this thing, you see this one, so now so it be. Okay. If you not put, if you not put this one, for that one where germinate. If then grind, if you cook up, if you not put this one, drink a Gburukutu no dey be that.
Gburukutu never dey be that. As they do like this, they don't ready to drink be like this.
It already. Now. Now yesterday where they do everything, but today they will start the drinker.
Like after you don't grind this one, can't do this one and this one, mix them together.
They will mix.
You can't filter them. So now you don't turn to Gburukutu so.
Gburukutu. Tomorrow they will start the drink.
Stay like 2 days, you go spoil.
Yes, it go spoil.
Okay, so they
people
will finish am one day.
One day. All of them, even though if you full this place, if you not finish tomorrow, next tomorrow you don't spoil. But most
every day na they do.
Every day. Today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, every day. Now so then they cook. We go they cook, then they drink.
They put ogogoro inside, boy. They hide.
No, they put anything. If you
put gogoro, you no go wake up, oh.
You go wake up.
You go, if you put gogoro, you no go wake. If you cook it very well, you do it like this, you get red like this. If you drink, you will get strong. If you cook gogoro there, people will die. No food. This one na their food because they drink am, they go home, you no go eat food. You have already belle food.
Okay, na natural drink.
Na natural.
I get the one wey dey outside o, wey I go give you make you drink.
Okay, let's
Come
go.
make we go, make I give you make you drink. Come, make I give you the one wey I wan give you. See my own for you. Na here, come. More na come, make all of us drink am together.
Yeah, go sit down.
Sit down.
Mama and mama, sir.
Sit down, make all of us drink. Na women to women now.
You sef you drink,
You
abi
go
na we
pour.
go start am?
You go serve me na your house I dey.
Okay, collect. Let me put this one.
Yes, so we're enjoying Gburukutu life here.
Gburukutu is always good. Though.
It's always good.
Yes. We now our business with that. It's our business with that. Then God they help us.
Yeah.
If we cook it, we are getting some things and help our
family.
families.
Train your children.
Yes.
So now wetin I tell dey train una family?
Yes.
Now the
thing train our family.
even school fees now here we are paying school fees with it. Yes.
So una own na dey put am for ground like that one wey old people dey put.
We are even putting it
like
in the morning
this
when
one
you
dey
wake
do
up
like
in the
this.
morning. If you
Give
want
your
your
God
God
like
God make God help you.
give you what
Do
you
this
want.
you
Then
fit
you
put
see.
it for ground so that you use it.
And God will answer you.
Okay, so we are drinking Gburukutu life.
Let's take it.
Yes, so
How do you hear? How it is?
it's very nice.
Nice, man.
I tell you now, the one where I show you inside, where you don't germinate well,
That's
with
the
that
best.
where you see. So he's the one that if we pound it, you will put it inside so that you sweet. You see how the thing sweet now? It is sweet now. The thing we put inside.
Many other things, na just natural things.
It's only that.
But they'll put there is something we call syrup.
I don't show her inside now. She don't
That
see it all.
rice. Yes, they'll put it, and there's one thing they call casing.
I don't show her all. It there inside all. You see it now.
Natural.
Yes.
Well done.
That is culture for us.
That's the Jukun culture. We're enjoying it. The BKT.
Yes,
Gburukutu.
yes.
Oh, my daddy. Good morning, sir. Good morning. I agree to sir. How you dey, sir?
Thank God.
How you dey enjoy yourself?
And they thank God and they enjoy the Gburukutu house.
You dey enjoy Gburukutu?
Yes.
I don't come join you, dey enjoy your culture.
You might enjoy the Gburukutu, huh?
So what you want to tell us about this Gburukutu as your culture?
Now you will give me me.
I want to tell you, Gburukutu.
Can drink every drink Gburukutu now. You go want sleep for house. Whether you get work, you come out, you go work. One calabash or two calabash, you want to go your work. Yes. If you come for work, 4 o'clock, you come wash and go your house before you go back, you come Gburukutu again.
So na your tradition, you go drink am in the morning, come out, go your work. If you come back 4 o'clock, you can't take am again, nourish your body again.
That's so me I don't know this.
You no dey take am since when you dey small till this age now.
Because baby, my body dey fine, ba.
Power. E make you strong well.
Well, Hannah, see, this morning I don't come now. I take some more. I dey go work. Whether today me I dey go work. If it can come out here, I go house and sleep. After 4, I will come back. Tomorrow, say one calabash or 2 calabash, I will go work.
Okay.
Finish.
Na ma say as you dey enjoy yourself.
No problem. You enjoy it, you know?
You turn am make the ground enter well. That's my father.
Yes, I go hold on like this.
2 hands.
If you hold on like this, you good. But you know go feel hold on. See, I go do like this. This morning, you say go do like this. You go call your father. You go, call your God before. You go do like this. You go do like this. The culture.
The first one, God. 2, Father. 3, places you can take.
before you go drink am.
Eh, no
Yeah.
play now.
So me I go drink am here.
No
Oh.
go, no go, no.
Oh, see culture. Oh. Ow, I love my culture. Well, well. Right, thank you, sir. So if they give you beer now, give you Gburukutu now, you go prefer which one?
Beer. Can give me beer now this morning. I no go take because you get power for my body. But you take beer, your belly, you no go full. 2 bottle, even 2 bottle or 3 bottle. But you no go get power. I must say that Gburukutu coach a good pass beer.
Good pass beer. You dey give energy naturally. Daddy. Good morning, sir. Good morning. How you doing?
Fine.
I see elderly person. I say, I come greet you because I enter where I see elder.
What type of thing do you take as
My own will have per one.
per one? It's the same thing as per me. I dey take per me too. The way you see per me, the test for your mouth. Now the same thing. This one the test. We have Gburukutu. We have per me. They are all our culture.
So they have per here too.
If you
But it's not plenty,
if you
like
go under that mango now, you see they are selling per me there.
okay, the one from here.
From here. You don't get better one from your place now.
Okay. But na Gburukutu they take no now with. As when you talk of Jukun person, na Gburukutu.
Gburukutu no be Jukun alone. It's all over Nigeria. If you go to Nasarawa, the same, Plateau, the same, Jos, the same, Bauchi, the same, Maiduguri, the same, Kaduna, the same, everywhere.
But which people own that drink?
We don't own it. We found the millet, but we don't own it.
Okay.
We own the millet, but we don't own the Gburukutu. Gburukutu is for everybody.
It's for everybody.
It's just like people are taking beer. People who brew beer are not the one taking it alone. Even the beer, some of the raw material they are using is from the farm.
Yes.
Don't you know?
Yes.
They use corn, they use millet, they use rice, they use maize. We produce, but we don't own the drink. The raw product is from us.
Just present your culture, what you people are known with. Okay. Thank you, sir.
You know, kuno, everybody take it.
Yes.
But the person where they brew kuno, not be the person where they farm.
Yes.
That's a corn.
Yes.
Understand me?
Yes,
So you feed drink. If you want, I will give you small to test. You have taken it?
Yeah, I've taken it already.
How do you feel it?
It's nice. This is my first time of testing it. I've been hearing about it, but this is the first time
I want you to take in my present. Let me see.
Yeah, let's go so that you give me.
Let's go.
Papa wants to give me Gburukutu to test. Papa wants to give me drink to test.
Come.
See? Papa wants to give me drink to drink. Eh? We never.
You never smell this one. Without this one, you do not drink.
Okay, this one they never finish am.
Yes. Hey, where is that? Tinyere!
You see they filter this one.
Yes. Tinyere! They say she give you drink. Baba, to gas here.
Papa say you should give me drink. So that I will drink. Come on. Don't be smart. Okay. Is this one? Oh? No problem, sir. Thank you, sir. All right. So they will teach me how to do
Sit
it.
down on their heart. Don't set it on me alone. Sit down on her. Sit down on this lady. Let me see.
It's very nice. Papa, thank you, sir, for buying for me. Thank you.
Sit down. Oh.